welcome to our sleep spot for basically the last, I don't know, week and a half, 2 weeks basically. Every day while we've been here in Bend, Oregon, we go to this Riverbend Park and float down the river and then come here, park up, leave the next morning. It's a good spot because it's got a ton of shade and it's pretty quiet. Nobody cares that you're here. Bend's got a policy where you have to move your vehicle every 72 hours. I don't think you're supposed to camp in it, but everybody in this whole town is living in their van, so they clearly don't care. But today is a pretty exciting day. We haven't caught you up in a while, so we're still dealing with axle problems. Those Mexico repairs were probably only good enough to get us back to the States. We're going through wheel bearings on the side where we had the axle failure in Mexico at a pretty rapid rate. We've replaced the wheel bearings now 3 times, inner and outer, 1 time of which they were cracked, and now I've just been monitoring the temperature of the hub, and it's getting to be like 230 degrees Fahrenheit if we are driving at highway speeds for anything longer than like 30 minutes. So from Boise to here in Bend, we literally did 20 minutes of driving and then 15 to 20 minutes of letting the hub assembly cool down. So we ordered a new axle housing from Ram, and we ordered all the internals from an online website because we're doing different gear ratio than we used to have. So today's journey, we are gonna go pick up that axle housing, drop it off at the repair shop, and in order to do that, we need to take the dirt bike off of the back of the camper. So we're gonna go drop Marissa and the dirt bike off at a coffee shop. I'm gonna load the axle housing onto the dirt bike rack and then drive like an hour to the guy's shop where we're gonna be having all this work done. And we're gonna take you along for the whole ride. So here we go. So we are at this cafe place that Marissa's gonna be hanging out at while the bike's here, locked up, chilling. I hope this plan works. It's a little invasive where I wanna put this thing, but we'll see. So the bike's all locked up. Now just gotta put the ramp away, and then Marissa gets the honor of relaxing around here while I go do some running around, putting our axle shaft on our dirt bike carrier. I got a whole bunch of straps and a whole bunch of hope. And we'll see how this goes. Nowhere to park at this dealership. Hi, good, how about you? I'm picking up a part. Eric Svensson is the name. It's a axle housing. All right, well, let's see how it goes loading this thing. She thinks I have a pickup truck. She's in for a surprise.
Yeah, I'm thinking if you put it on like the back deck, that'll be great. You can set it down there and then probably like back out a little bit, pick it up with the shift to the floor, or I can just slide my other stuff in. Be okay? Okay, stop. Go up a little bit. Okay. And then start to back out. Good. Go up a little bit. There you go. And then back out. Keep going. Bam. Plate is all perfect.
Is it heavier than the dirt bike? I don't really know. Maybe a little bit. When she set it down on there, it moved. Yeah, thankfully we only have to drive it like 45 minutes from here. Probably one of the worst parking lots I've had to maneuver through in a long time. Cat's ready to get out of the truck. I'm ready to get out of the truck. We're here at this guy Troy's house. His shop's in his backyard. And so for that reason, I'm probably not gonna shove a camera in this guy's face. He doesn't seem very social to begin with, so let's see how this goes. Bye.